Hey, yes, Oreo? What is rain? Oh, rain? You mean like water? Like that falls from the sky? I don't know. What is rain? I just hear the word rain all the time and I'm wondering what it is. Rain? Oh, rain is weather. You know what weather is? Or what? Weather is um, like stuff that happens in the sky, you know? Like different like stuff. But rain is water that falls from the sky. Okay? Do you want to know why it happens? Now I guess I hate water because it's falling right now. See? Just look outside, it's falling. Because rain is dumb and I hate rain. Don't worry, I know you hate rain, but it doesn't happen very often here. So everything's okay. Whenever. If you lived in Florida, then it would happen like a lot. But you don't, luckily, so yeah. Whatever. When is that red thing up there? Up there? Like that? That's an elf. And that one too. Yeah, that's an elf. They're called elf on the shelf. They come up during the winter. After Thanksgiving. What's Thanksgiving? Remember yesterday I gave you turkey? Yeah. And that was cool, huh? Did you like it? Yeah, it was good. So that's Thanksgiving. Yeah. And then they leave on Christmas Eve. What the heck is Christmas Eve? Is it like where you open like floor tiles or something? No, it's where you open presents, you silly. Oh, okay. Opposite. Well, I'm going to sit under the table. Or eat or something. I don't know. Oreo. It's okay. You don't have to be bored. I just miss you. I don't know what to do. I'm not tired. Usually I'm tired during the day, but I'm not this time. Okay. Alrighty, well if you want to eat, the food bowl's right there and you're welcome to eat. Okay, baby? Yeah. You're being really nice today. What do you mean nice? I'm always nice. No, you're not. There's that stupid rain. I'm eating. Oreo, you're so cute. Well, I'll let you eat. Okay? Yeah. And I'll make another video later. Alrighty, bye.